everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to explore which of the following figures are congruent. Alright, so we are given two sets of figures. Let's take a look at the first one where we are looking at this square. Do you think they are congruent? No. Why not? Because not all the corresponding sides are equal. Yes. So for this pair of square, they are not congruent. Why? As all the corresponding sides of these two figures, which is S, P, Q, R, and Z, W, X, Y, are not equal. Then I look at the other side. For the triangle, congruent? They are, because all the corresponding sides are equal. And therefore triangle JGH is congruent to triangle. If I start from J, I will have to start from M, followed by L and N. Alright, as all the corresponding sides of triangle JGHN, triangle MLN, are equal. So as you can see, to determine whether the figures are congruent, we do need to check whether all the corresponding sides of the figures are congruent. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video on congruent figures. Well, this question gave us the information that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So the very first thing for Mr. Tan would then be to try and orientate the triangle DEF in the same way as triangle ABC and put them side by side here. Okay, once I have that, then I will be able to see that DE and AB are equal because they are congruent. So for question part A, please see that AB and DE are the same, and therefore A DE is equals to AB, in this case 5 cm. Find the length of FD. FD and AC are corresponding side. So for part B, FD is equals to CA. So in this case, 13 cm. And find the size of angle DFE, which is this angle here. It's the same as angle ACB, and therefore part C will require our knowledge that the sum of the angle in a triangle is 180 degrees. So angle DFE, which is equals to angle ACB. And how do I find angle ACB? I just need to have 180 minus 90 degree minus my 67.4 degrees. And this will give me the final answer of 22.6 degree. I'm using the angle sum of a triangle property. Well, with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that the figure ABCD is congruent to the figure PQRS. Find the length of QR. So let's see for QR, Q to R. Let's see which length is it corresponding to. If I go back to the question here, Q and R is with B and C. B, C. So for part A, QR is equals to BC, in this case 7.5 cm. Part B, find angle BCD, which will be this angle here. So you do have to note that point B and point Q are corresponding point, and therefore this angle here will be 62 degrees. And once I know that, I will then be able to get my angle BCD fairly easily, since the sum of the quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So I will just need to minus away 150, 70, and that 62 degree. And this will give me a value of 78 degrees. Finally, the perimeter of PQRS. So again, I do need to look at my corresponding side, and I see that AB and PQ, they are corresponding. So this will be 8. And previously, I already found that this is 7.5. And so, to find the perimeter of PQRS, which is this, I would simply need to just add up all the sides. Yep. So for part C, which I'm going to write it here, perimeter of PQRS is therefore equals to 8 plus 7.5 plus my 4 plus my 4. Final answer, 23.5 cm. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.